this year from January 2024 till December 2024. We have booked around 36,481 cases and we have collected fine of 2 crores 18 lakhs 69,500. Last year we have booked 45,948 cases and we have collected 2 crores 70 lakhs. This year we have booked cases under overspeeding. It is 3,369. Alcohol cases we have booked 373. Using mobile while driving 138. Without helmet 2,247. Without MDL this is 61. Also we have booked cases under against a minor. We have booked 2 cases against a minor for riding the 2-wheelers. We have also booked many cases under no entry. It is 5,614. Dangerous parking 3,911. Lane cutting it is 4,150. And in other hits also we have booked cases. We have sent 4,182 license for suspension. We have also taken education drives also for education drives in the schools, also in factories, and to the taxi drivers and all. Lectures delivered in the schools is 262. Students educated are 3,063. Employees and workers are around 423. Senior citizens is 415. So also we have distributed during our traffic education. We have also distributed pamphlets, around 25,000 pamphlets. We have distributed to the different people's riders. 30 fatalities reported. Compared to the last year, it was 27 fatal accidents. The increase in fatalities, this is mostly because of people driving rashly. These are most fatal accidents has happened due to rash driving. I request all the peoples, all the riders, drive safely, don't overspeed. You must be knowing that speed kills. And we have seen this year, the fatalities has increased because of overspeeding. So whenever you are driving, use always helmet. Don't overspeed. Don't drink and drive. Drink and drive without using helmets. These are the main causes of fatalities and overspeeding. So my request to the people that don't drive speedily, don't drive under the influence of alcohol. Use always safety gears, helmet, seat belts, and follow traffic rules.